Okay, next I will show you how to assemble the auger screw feeder. Since when you receive this machine, these devices, the devices was also disassembled by second part. The first part is the hopper and this rack. And the second part is the auger screw tube. This part and this part will separately assembled by this. And when you receive, you can get this handle to open this handle and also fasten this handle, and also get this handle fastened with screw, and also this is the rubber, the rubber cover to connect the hopper to the auger screw tube, and also fasten the screw belt to get it fastening. And after that, you also will rotate this handle to fasten the tank with the auger screw tube firmly. And let me show you, there is two handle for control the vibrating, and this is the rotating clockwise and rotating unclockwise. When the machine gets in rotating clockwise, that means the auger screw to fit the material into the auger screw measuring. And when you get it rotating unclockwise, that means to fit the material return to hopper. Okay, this video I will show you how to disassemble the auger screw feeder. The first part was disassemble the connection by these two steel circle by loosening the screws, and take on the clothes. And this clothes you also need to clean it out and use the new clothes to connect it when you packing different powder.
然后这个推料，哎呀，我先把它摆，我先把它
移开，
再来推料。
Okay, the second step you need to ensure the rotate clockwise and unclockwise is off. This function is off, so press the handle in the middle. And we press the touch screen on to open the auger screw feeder. And by loosening the screw here and open the port for output the material, you can see this port will output, remove the leftover inside of the auger screw tank, and open the Okay, next I will show you how to disassemble the auger screw feeder. Let's see. At first, you need to loosening the screws on the tube and the hopper connection. Take off two stainless steel strips. And then also loosening this just screw on the rack to release the tube onto the rack. You must keep on hold on the tube. And then just lay it down. Then opening this clamp to loosen the tube. And now you can take off the auger screw tube.
现在拆出来了。
那个螺杆是抽出来吗？
对。
抽掉出来。
这个螺杆抽出来。
对。
可以抽啊，你要现在拆了，螺杆抽出来
就直接抽。Yes, and then take off the auger screw, and then you can make it cleanly, and also replace another auger screw too. Okay. Okay. Next, we will talk you to assemble the auger screw feeder. At first. The first step, we need to ensure the auger screw to end at the screws, and then rock the handle on the double side. This is the first step. The second step, you need to assemble the sealing rubber strip. And the center circle, you need to aim at the auger screws. And then lock this part also with a stainless steel strips. And fasten the screws. And the third step, we are assembling the holder strips along with the rack and the tube to fix it on this area. 然后就是 And then there's the 4 steps to wear the rubber cover and make this tube, auger screw tube, and the hopper sealed. Fix them with the stainless steel strips. Fastening the screws so that to ensure the cover was well sealed, the tube and the hopper.
你可以把它压住锁紧就好了。这样你跟他讲一下就 OK 了，这样锁紧就 OK 了。
就好了是吧？
对啊，这样锁紧把它压紧就 OK 了。
然后这个要锁嘛，这个已经上锁了，这个是已经锁了。
要把底下那个。
And the output material part also you need to seal it after you cleaning the auger circular tube.
这个是排胶口，把它装上就好了。
Make the strips low to along with the output circle, and then rock it.
没动上。
Fastening it, and the barcode will assembled on this output exit port.